My name is Miyaji. I received my yoga certification from Vinyasa Yogashala, and I feel so incredibly grateful and divinely guided that I was able to come here to learn the practice of yoga. I've been practicing for years, but I finally made the decision to deepen my practice and felt intuitively that this would be the right school for me. And I was proven so right. My Gurujis, I have so much respect and gratitude for them. They have brought self-knowledge, worldly knowledge, spiritual knowledge to me in a way that makes sense, in a way that feels powerful in my journey inside of myself. The people that I've met here have been some of the most beautiful people I've ever met in my entire life. And I'm so grateful that I've been able to experience this journey with them. I feel that this school provides the warmth, the discipline, the structure, the safety, the wisdom, the connection that people are looking for whenever they come to practice yoga. After this whole experience, I feel expanded in the way that I understand myself, in the way that I feel myself, in the way that I feel my spirit, in the way that I'm able to breathe. And for that, I will be eternally grateful. And I plan to return as soon as possible to continue my studies here. The accommodations are great. The food is so delicious and keeps you focused on what you're here to study. You'll get to experience so many different places here in Rishikesh and the surrounding area and deepen your understanding of this experience from a holistic perspective. If you're thinking or feeling like this is the school for you and you need an affirmation and you've made it to this video and you're watching it, I hope that you take this as a sign that it is the right place for you.